What's up, guys? Stefan, S&E's Garage. Today we have some exciting products here from RR Racing that we are going to be installing here on our GS-F. You're not going to want to miss this video. Definitely please watch this until the end. We have some very important information for you at the end of this video. Alright guys, so what we have here is the Billet RR Racing oil cap. And that oil cap is going to come with 2 stickers of your choosing. When you go on their website to order it, there's a couple of different options. They have RR Racing stickers that would look something like this guy here, or they have the F logo that would look something like this. I opted to go with the F logo just because this is an F and it's got the F logo, for example, here on the fender and here on the engine cover. So I figured that would complete that look. And then what we have here is the RR Racing Billet battery tie-down. This appears to be a very nice quality piece. You can see the machine marks here from when it was made, and it's a very, very nice piece. So these here will definitely finish off the look that we're going for of our engine bay dress-up project here, because you'll see we have their carbon fiber engine cover, we have their intake tube, and we also have their heat shield. So all of this together will finish the look up of this car. And whenever I go to a Cars and Coffee and pop the hood and people see this, they're gonna think it's, you know, really something special. And I like how clean that it looks. So the reason that they don't put the stickers on the oil cap is because once you screw this cap down, you have to clock it. So once it's tight, that's when you're gonna put your sticker on, because if you put the sticker on first and tighten it down, the sticker might not be straight, and that's just gonna look silly. So I really don't think I need to show you how to install an oil cap, but we're gonna go ahead and do it anyway. It's super easy. You twist off your old one, like so. Man, I put that thing on tight. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and set it aside. We're going to grab our new one, which will come with the O-ring here pre-installed. And you're just going to go ahead and snug it down. It doesn't have to be ridiculously tight, just snug it up. And then we're going to come over here and grab one of our F stickers. They give you 2. I guess the second one is insurance in case you have an oopsie. But we're just going to go ahead, pull this off, and we're going to try to get this on here as straight as possible. And that looks pretty good to me. So there, oil cap installation is done. Now we're going to move over here to the battery tie down. So to install this battery tie down appears to be very simple. We have a 10mm nut here that we're going to have to remove, and then this piece here just hooks into this metal bracket. That is what this little piece here is for on here. So let's go ahead, remove that 10mm, and then we'll pull this bracket off, slide this one in. All right, so like I said, we're gonna take this ratchet here, and we're just gonna go ahead and unscrew this tie down. This was actually a little loose. That kind of worries me. Somebody installed this thing pretty loose here, but whatever. I did not put this battery in. The car came with this, but it is that simple. Here's the old one. I always like to hang on to my old stuff in case I ever need it, so it's gonna go in that bag. And here we have our new one, and we are just going to slide this into place like so, and then line it up with this threaded rod and get our nut started. Okay, here's my ratchet. Done deal. All right, guys, that is going to go ahead and complete the install video that we are doing here on this oil cap and this battery tie down, but we're not done yet. Earlier in the video, I told you, hey, make sure you stay, watch this video until the end because we do have some exciting news here. The guys at RR Racing have been paramount to us with this platform. They have been a wealth of knowledge. They've been steering me in the right direction, and obviously we do have a ton of their products here, and they like the fact that we're doing videos on their products and kind of showing how good these things look and how good their suspension drives and things like that. And with that being said, the guys at RR Racing would like to do a giveaway with us on this oil cap here, this billet oil cap. So we are going to be doing a giveaway today. We're going to be doing the drawing on Friday the 26th. That is next Friday. And to enter is super easy. You just have to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Share this video. You can share it on Lexus pages online. You can share it on your Instagram. I want to get this giveaway out there. I want to get as much exposure out there as we can. That way all of you guys have a chance to win this thing. So after you like, share, and subscribe, what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to send an email to segaragechannel@gmail.com. I'm going to link that down below. Just shoot me an email saying, hey, I'd like to enter, and drop your channel name or your name, however you want to do it. And then when we do the drawing, we're going to do it on wheelofnames.com. I'll enter your information on the wheel, and then whoever wins, we're going to reach out to you. And RR Racing is going to drop ship it directly to your house. Good luck. I hope. I wish I can give one to every single one of you, but unfortunately I can't. But this is just a thank you from me and from them to you guys for watching our videos on this car and checking out some of the products that they have for the F line, because they make this beautiful engine bay here possible. This is their catch can, that's their oil cap, that's their engine cover, this is their intake, that is their battery tie down, and these are their coilovers that this car is sitting on. So without the guys at RR Racing, this car would not look and drive as well as it does right now. So please go ahead and enter the giveaway, like, share, and subscribe. I'll be checking that email address. And good luck.